Good day, viewers. This is Restart Tutorials, where you are built to be the best. I am Uncle Tunde, your math tutor, and today you remember that we started a topic before on set in our last video, so we are going to continue with the topic today. So, as a recap, what is set? Set is a collection of objects of similar properties. You can still remember that where we talked about what we use some real life scenarios to explain what set is. Now let's look today. We want to start by looking at some of the signs used in sets. Some of the signs we use to express set mathematically. Now the first one is this. When you see this sign, U, this capital letter U, or this one that looks like, I don't know, it looks like E. Okay, so it means universal set. Any of the two means universal set. Now when you see this N, this capital letter N with this this small stroke here, it means natural numbers. And I believe we all know what natural numbers are. Natural numbers are positive numbers, positive integers. Don't let me just say positive numbers, positive integers. Now what this means, integers. So when you talk about integers has to do with positive and negative numbers. Positive and negative numbers. So when you want to express integers, generally, you use this sign. But if you want to express positive integers, like the natural numbers, you use this, with that plus, like raised to power plus, yes. And when it has like raised to power minus, let me put it that way, it means negative integers. Now, when you have this kind of sign, small letter A, remember in our last class, I made you to understand that when you want to express a set, you express it in capital letter. In capital letter. And when you want to express a member of a set, you express them using small letter. When you see A with something that looks like this C and this capital letter A, it means that A is an element of a set A. Element A is contained in set A, is an element of A. Then when you see something like this, it means this set A is contained in another set B. That is when you can draw out a set from another set, like we talked about subset. It means A is a subset of B. Let's just put it that way. Then when you see something like this, just like this, but it has a stroke, it means that A is not contained in the set A. This element A is not a member of set A. Okay, so let's look at these wonderful questions we have here. When you see this now, let me express it to you. This one means that X such that X is contained in natural numbers. When you see this sign, it means such that, and X is less than 10. Remember, when we were talking about natural numbers, I told you that natural numbers are positive numbers. Positive numbers. So when let's try to decipher what we have here. It means we said natural numbers that are less than 10. What are the natural numbers less than 10? We have from 0 to 9. So that is just the interpretation of what you have there. Then let us look at this one. This one is what? This is a set such that you have A such that A is contained in integers, and A is greater or equal to -5 but less than 2. So what are the numbers? What are the integers greater or equal to -5? What are they? You have -5 itself because this one is greater or equal to -5. You have -4, -3, -2, 1, 0, then 1. You can't add 2 because this one is not greater or equal to 2. I believe you understand that. Thank you. So can you just try and pause the video for like 1 minute and see if you can solve this question? I believe you've done that. So now let's see if you actually got it right or wrong. So, we said this is the universal set. So let's see the elements of the universal set now. We said X such that X is contained in natural numbers and X is what? Less than 10. Remember, natural numbers, they are positive numbers. So what are the numbers less than 10? You have what? 0, you have 1, you have 2, you have 3, you have 4, you have 5, you have 6, you have 7, you have 8, and you have 9. So this is the universal set. I hope you get that. You got that. Okay, let's look at A. So subset A, we have this. So we have X such that X square is greater than 12. The square of X is greater than 12. Now, 0 square, is less than 12 rather. Is 0 square less than 12? Yes, so 0 is one of it. Is 1 square less than 12? Yes. What about 2 squared? That's 4. It's still less than 12. What about 3? That's 9. It's still less than 12. So we have 3. What about 4? No. 4, the square of 4 is 16. That is greater than 12. So this is our set A. I hope you understand that. I hope you got that. Okay, that's good. So let's look at the B. So we have X such that X is greater than 5 and X is what? Less than or equal to 9. Do you see the way I read it? You read it from here. X is greater than 5 and X is less than or equal to 9. So what are the numbers greater than 5 but less or equal to 9? We have what? 6, 7, 8, then 9. The reason why 9 is included is because this is what? Less than or equal to. I hope you understand that. How many did you get? So you can put that in the comment box. With this, we have come to the end of today's class. I hope you all understand. Now, if you have any question, you can just drop it in the comment section. And please make sure you like our videos, subscribe to the YouTube channel if you have not done that, and click on the notification button so that you can have access to every of our videos once we upload them. And I'll see you in the next class.